Facing a critical Windows failure due to the Basesrv Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's implement the official repair path today. Before we start the Basesrv library configuration, consider using the diagnostic resource below to maintain a clean system state. This is the Basesrv library, the Base Server subsystem library. It manages the unmanaged creation of processes and threads for the Win32 subsystem. It is a critical orchestrator for the fundamental data link between the kernel and user mode manifests. With that context in mind, our first logical step is a clean reinstallation. Since Basesrv Library DLL is a protected OS component, the most reliable fix is to verify your system integrity. Open an elevated command prompt and run sfc/scan now to have Windows detect and restore any damaged system binaries. If the setup package didn't provide a resolution, we need to look under the hood at how your system handles current session configurations. A full system restart ensures that no background processes are currently locking the Basesrv library file. A fresh boot allows Windows to reinitialize its library map from a clean state. Take a second to bookmark this page, or hit the like button before restarting. That way, you can easily resume this guide once your system has finished rebooting. Next, we'll move beyond the basics. If your screen hasn't changed after the restart, follow me to step 3. If you need to pause the video while your folders load, don't hesitate. Since that library file is still unresponsive after the restart, we'll run a repair on the coding environment. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. To ensure long-term stability, we should review the safety risks associated with unverified file sources. From a diagnostic standpoint, a missing Basesrv Library DLL error is often just a symptom of a larger system conflict that a simple manual download is incapable of fully resolving. Rather than managing individual dependencies, a comprehensive diagnostic can help you maintain the entire software environment. For users seeking a more stable workstation, the utility linked below references Basesrv library configuration concepts. If Basesrv library is back online, please consider subscribing. It's the best way to support our mission of providing safe, verified technical solutions.